Good evening to Dr. Brian. My name is Wang Yanwen. Matrix number 25005619. This is recording for lab assignment WIA 1003 Computer System Architecture. So firstly, for the first question, I need to get the sum of the differences between these array numbers 0, 2, 5, 9, 10. So they have a gap of 2, 3, 4, 1, which is total of 10. So I will run this program. So the 0, 2, 3, 4, 1 are the respective differences, and the ESI value, which is the sum, is 0, 2, 5, 9A, which is A is stand for hexadecimal, so it it displays A instead of 1, 0. Okay, so now I will move on to the next program. I will set this as startup project. And so, for the second question, I want to print a cascading numbers based on numbers 1 to 8. So firstly, I initialize the array, and then I also have the space byte, and also this constant variable 8. So basically, I will look 8 times, and in these 8 times, I will print out this number and a space, number and space. Okay, so now I will load this program. So these are the codes, as you can see here. So basically, after completing one column, you move to the next line and then print from the second. In the second iteration, you print starting from the second element. In the third iteration, you print starting from the third element. For fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. All of this done register here is to show the number of the element, and the value of the element in the array. And ECX is the loop counter. So you can see here. Now I will go to question 3. I will set question 3 as startup project. Okay, and now I will explain about question 3. Question 3 wants us to enter a 32-bit integer and then give the sum of the 32-bit integer. So I will have a prompt asking for the user integer, and also sum of the word 0. One is to initialize the sum to 0 first, and then this one is the variable that I will take from the user, and this one is the num loop the word 3, and this is the code. I run it, enter the 32-bit integer, let's say 5, 6, 7, I will get 18. Okay, now let's try a negative number. Negative 9, negative 9, negative 9, you get negative 27. Okay, now we move on to the next question, which is Q4. Okay, so for question 4, we want to create a procedure that asks the user for a mark and then give the grade according to these ranges. So firstly, I will prompt the user for marks, get the number from the user, and check if user input integer is within 0 to 100, and if there's overflow, if it's not an integer, or if it's greater than 100, or if it's less than 0, I will jump to error message. So this error message here will display, we will say the error message, print a new line, and then go back to the start process to reprompt the user for the mark. And then if everything is good, then I will check the mark of the user, like which grade I should give it. So basically, I will compare the marks with minimum value of each grade, and then go to the print process. And this print process will basically move the grade to the EDX value, and jump to this print display grade section, and display grade section will write the string, and then jump to exit process immediately to avoid running this line if everything is good. So I will now show the demo. So let's say I will enter L, which is not a number. You say invalid input. I will enter P. I will enter this invalid input. I will enter negative 100. You say invalid input. If I write 500, you also say invalid input. So basically, I must stay within range. So I put grade F. You show F. So let's try grade D. 60, 67. So you still grade D. Let's run again. Let's try 78. Let's grade C. Let's try let's try 81, grade B, and then finally 90, which is A. So that is all from me. Thank you.